the question is, what's the most common type of property and casualty claim? And far and away, the most common type is a roof damage claim, usually due to wind, tornado, or hail damage. And roof damage claims can be tricky to know whether you need an attorney because sometimes the roof only needs a few shingles replaced, other times it can be the entire roof. If you only need a few shingles replaced, there's a chance that you don't want to hire an attorney because the cost of litigating the denial from your homeowner's insurance to replace those few shingles might be more than it would cost you to just replace the shingles themselves. So when we get potential clients calling about roofing claims, there's a pretty high proportion of them where we have to say, you probably don't want us. The value of our work may not add enough to make it worth your while to pay the attorney fee. And even though you're mad at the insurance company, you may want to replace those few shingles yourself. Now, if you get into another situation where half or all of your roof has to be replaced, of course, the cost of the contractor and the materials and everything goes up. And the higher those costs are, the more likely it is that if we come in and we turn an insurance company denial into actually paying for the entire claim, then we're adding enough value to justify the attorney fee that we're charging, and that is when you want an attorney. So don't be afraid to call us and ask whether or not you should hire an attorney for the claim. We will tell you that you don't want us if we think that you don't really want us. Also, be sure that if you have some other type of situation where there's an insurance company denial to your home or your business, that you check into whether or not that might be a property and casualty claim as well. Other examples can include fire damage. It can include flooding, either from weather or from, say, burst pipes in a home that ruin a basement. And those things also tend to have high costs to tear out what was damaged, replace it, maybe even do a complete tear down and rebuild. And anything like that is liable to be something that will be worth it to hire an attorney if the insurance company has denied the claim.